Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Collectr app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to sign out of the Collectr app because maybe you're logged onto someone else's phone. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app here. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, once you're on the Profile option here, you want to go ahead and click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down to where it says Sign Out. So that right there is going to go ahead and sign you out of the account, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all